Welcome to MMO Crypto. Today, we're diving into a highly promising topic that has garnered tremendous interest from the global financial community: Ripple and XRP. Major financial institutions around the world, from central banks to large non-profit organizations, are placing their trust in Ripple and XRP, ushering in a new era in international payments. Let's explore why Ripple's technology and XRP could become game changers, and how they are creating a real Internet of Value, where financial transactions happen swiftly, seamlessly, and without borders. Ripple and XRP's breakthrough potential in modern finance. Ripple is far more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a network system that can connect traditional and digital payment systems globally. Since 2017, Ripple has been expanding its influence by hosting a meeting that included multiple central banks and the International Monetary Fund, IMF, in New York. During this meeting, Ripple presented solutions for connecting payment systems, enabling banks and financial institutions to execute transactions quickly and cost-effectively. Ripple's network is designed to link banks, mobile financial institutions, and global financial service providers, creating a flexible payment network. This not only reduces time and cost but also offers a transparent, secure, and reliable solution for financial institutions in cross-border transactions. Open-source technology and community benefits. One of Ripple's critical strengths is its open-source platform. Ripple provides a system that any financial institution can use without paying licensing fees, making it easy for countries and banks to integrate without cost or licensing barriers. This has positioned Ripple as the optimal solution for expanding financial access, especially in regions lacking banking infrastructure. The open-source nature of Ripple's platform allows even small financial institutions, nonprofit organizations, and central banks to join a global financial network with minimal cost. This opens opportunities for smaller organizations and also helps larger ones improve operational efficiency, creating a flexible and sustainable financial ecosystem. Backing from major players in finance. It's not by chance that Ripple has received support from big organizations like Google, the Gates Foundation, and the Rockefeller Foundation. This is not only financial backing but also a strategic investment to build a sustainable and inclusive digital financial infrastructure. The aim of these major investors is to create an Internet of Value, where assets and financial values move as freely as information on the Internet. Ripple's role in the international payment system. Ripple not only connects payment systems but also serves as a bridge between existing payment systems and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. This means central banks, commercial banks, and other financial institutions can seamlessly integrate, creating a flexible and sustainable global payment ecosystem. For example, Ripple's system has been successfully deployed in several African and Asian countries, helping millions of people access modern financial services. This is a major step forward in promoting financial inclusion and reducing the economic gap between developed and developing countries. Opportunities for global financial development. According to the World Bank, central banks are beginning to use Ripple's fast payment systems to conduct cross-border transactions more cost-effectively and efficiently. The compatibility between central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and existing payment systems could be crucial to shaping the future financial system. This seamless connection not only reduces transaction time and costs but also provides a platform for other financial services, such as payroll, international remittances, and complex financial applications, thus improving the quality of life for people worldwide. Moving toward a new financial future. The future of finance is being shaped by Ripple and XRP technology. When we look at these significant changes, it's clear that modern payment systems will no longer be limited by national borders. Central banks, financial institutions, and mobile service providers will be able to connect with each other more easily than ever, bringing in a new era of cross-border financial transactions. Summary and outlook. When examining reports and documents from major organizations like the World Bank and IMF, Ripple and XRP are mentioned as key tools in the restructuring of the global financial system. This is no longer speculation but a reality that is being realized through numerous collaborations with leading organizations and Ripple's long-term vision of elevating finance to a new level. If you find this topic fascinating and want to stay updated on the latest cryptocurrency trends, be sure to follow MMO Crypto and turn on notifications so you won't miss any videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.